So I know there's people that are new in the chat. So you're going to be saying, what's an epoch? Okay. So I could give you a technical explanation and all that stuff, but let me break it down for you real simple. Remember when you were in school and you had like semesters for each class, right? You know, I think it works this way internationally, but most of the time you have a school year and then you have like 2 semesters, right? Take classes some semester, then the next semester, right? So an epoch is like a semester in college. And you're going to take a class during that semester. Okay? And you're going to go and you're going to finish that semester. What if you could relive that semester? And you're going to take the same class with the same notes and the same exams. Wouldn't you do better the second semester? What if you could take it a third semester? Same notes, same test, same class. Wouldn't you be doing better the third semester? Because now you learned the first semester, you improved some mistakes in the second semester, and now you get a third chance to improve those mistakes. Right? What if you had a fourth semester? Same class, same notes, same exams. How good are you going to do your fourth semester? Your fifth semester? Your sixth semester? That's an epoch. An epoch is training your neural network, except that it retains all the information it learned in the previous epochs. So that's an epoch. An epoch is like a semester in school. And you get to relive it over and over and over and improve over and over and over again. Okay? That's an epoch. That's how I want you to think about it. So that's why, again, going back to Maniam's observation, yeah, our epochs are going like this. Why would you stop? Again, there will be a diminishing return, but we're not there yet, right? We still have a little bit of a ways to go. And also, to emphasize, keep in mind that even though we are focusing on Keras and PyTorch, epochs is something that's fundamental to all neural networks. It's not exclusive to Keras. It's one of the powers of neural networks that you can sit there and retrain it over and over again, right? But when you hear epoch, I want you to think about that analogy, because that's really what it is. You're letting your neural network learn all over again while retaining the same information it learned in previous epoch. So it just gets more and more powerful as it goes, the more epochs you give it.